Hey guys, I hope you had a great break. This week we are going to talk about slope-intercept form. So it's some things that we are familiar with. Um, so let's kind of look at slope-intercept form. So we know that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and so let's kind of break down what each variable means. So we know that m is going to be our slope, and b is going to be our y-intercept. Okay, so our y-intercept, and then we have x and y. And so x and y are actually just where we can plug in a coordinate. So a coordinate's written as xy, so we would plug in our x value here and our y value here. And so that's the type of problems that we're going to be looking at this week, where we are given the slope and a point, and we have to find the y-intercept. So we're plugging in some values, and then we are actually solving for b, which is our y-intercept. That way we can fix the equation of the line. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so let's say that we know that our slope is 2. We know our slope is 2, and we also know that this line passes through the point 4, 6. Okay, so we have our slope, we have an x value, and we have a y value. So I have y equals mx plus b. B is the unknown, but I'm going to plug in what I do have. So I know that my y is 6, so I'm going to replace y with 6. I know that my slope is 2, so I'm going to replace my m with 2. And then mx is just like we're multiplying m and x, so we'll say 2 times our value of x, which is 4, and then we're going to write plus b because we still don't know what b is. That's what we're going to solve for. So now we're going to go ahead and just complete this little section. So we have 6 equals 2 times 4, which is 8, and then we'll say plus b. All right, we want to get b by itself, so it's like we have a simple one-step equation. To get b by itself, since I'm adding, I'm going to just subtract the 8 on both sides. 6 minus 8 is -2, and then that is equal to b. Okay, so from here, we are going to rewrite in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form, when you rewrite it, you only input the m and the b. So we would say y equals, m was 2, and then x, and then our y-intercept, our b, was -2, so we would say -2. And so y equals 2x minus 2 would be my final answer. That is the equation of the line here. Okay, so those are the types of questions that we are going to focus on this week, just plugging in and kind of manipulating and solving. So I'm going to do another one, and then I'm going to let you guys try one on your own. Okay, so let's say that we have m equals 4. And then we know that the point is going to be 2, 5. So it passes through the point 2, 5, and the slope is 4. So I'm just going to plug in once again, y equals mx plus b. B's are unknown. So y, our y value here is 5. So I'm going to put that right there. Our m, our slope is 4. And then we multiply that by the x value, so say times 2, and then plus b. So b, once again, that's our unknown. That's what we're trying to find. So we would say 5 equals 4 times 2 is 8 plus b. Want to get b by itself? We're going to subtract 8 on each side. So we have y equals, with b equals -3, because 5 minus 8 is -3, and then we would write our equation as y equals 4x minus 3. We have our slope.